Hey everyone, it's Harmon from Misfit Adventure, and we're going to go into creating the background card. Just one note, these videos are all recorded at once, and they may be re-recorded as they needed, but the concepts won't change. So that's why if you're seeing this video and it's different from how MisfitAdventure.com looks right now, just know we're in constant motion to try and improve upon it. But we're game designers, not website designers. So thank you for those who will bear with us. All right, so a background card. The background card is going to be a little bit more passive. It typically will play a little bit more in the story mode, but we can make it so it has effects on it. So as I hit new card, I'm going to just hit background. And we have our own maps here at Misfit Adventure, but for now, let's just say, there we go. So this is passive. And then we just want to say what it's going to do. So for our background, this should be, it's clear. Stonebreak Tavern. Okay. In this case, this background card, we can just say that they are a tavern brawler. Great at thing as a weapon. And then we can give it some effects, like maybe we give them some higher defensive stats. You have +2 to defense, but -2 to interpersonal. So a little bit more of a roughneck. So now, as we go through these roles, we have some strengths, but we also have some weaknesses. So as we're looking at for game mechanics, that's all we're looking at for it, is a very passive ability that we want our players to have for either a background. Now, we could also have some more active stats. So whether that's a follower of a particular god or something like that, that's what we can do when we're adding our background cards. So don't feel limited. Just go ahead and make whatever you feel is nice. So let's go ahead and save it. All right. And that concludes this video, everybody. We'll cover the base card next. And then you should have a good hand and a good idea of what you're doing to create and play Turmoil of Trolls. Thanks for watching, everybody.